Hello balloon artists! Today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute spider which is perfect for deliveries at this time of year. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks here in Derbyshire in the East Midlands, helping you take your balloon art to the next level and having fun with twisting. Take 4 5-inch rounds and we want to inflate to about 4 inches. Round them off, let it twist, inflate the next one, round that off and tie. Okay, you've got a duplicate there. And make another duplicate with the lilac balloons. Those off, tie. Take the 2 duplicates together, place one over the other and wrap around. Okay, so you've got a cluster of 4 or a quad. Make 4 more of these. Take a 260 and push all the air out and then tie a knot in the end. Okay, so you've got an uninflated strap. Wrap the end into one of your clusters and then place the others on the top. So take your 260, pull it taut and just figure of 8 through and build up that layer, that stack of clusters of 4 until you're building up a garland. Okay, that's what you've got. You want to spiral the pattern round, that's absolutely fine. Next, take a sand weight. This one's perhaps a little bit large for my purposes, but better to go heavier than not, and wrap that into the base. Take an 11-inch round, I'm using the polka dot print, and inflate fully. Let a little bit of air out until the balloon is about 7 to 8 inches. And you don't need to measure this, just eyeball it, you don't need to size it. Take a long piece of scrap 160 and wrap that into the neck. Tie that into the knot. Okay, make a soft knot so you've not pulled it tightly, and then pull that knot along the neck of the balloon. Okay. You're going to need a little piece of 160. So take your 11-inch and squeeze the air into the neck as much as you can. Okay, and then take your index finger and press that knot and nozzle through into the base of the balloon. So you're aiming for about here. Grab hold of the knot and nozzle and give it a twist. Get a bit of 160 scrap, wrap that around and tie. Okay, and once you've tied once, tie a second time. Take the tails from the 160 and wrap those into your column. Just figure of 8 them around and secure that 11-inch in position. So just figure of 8 around until you need no more, and then put that back in position. You're going to need 4 160s in black and inflate almost to about a 3-finger tail or so, 3-4 fingers. Take your 160s and tie together. Take your spider's legs and wrap them beneath that first layer of quads and wrap them over. Take one of the legs and decide how long you want your spider's legs to be. Twist off a bubble and just make sure that you can make a leg on the other side that is the same sort of length. Okay? And then take that join there and just wrap it into the tails, the 160 tails at the top. Okay? And then do the same thing on the other side. You want a leg of a similar sort of size. It doesn't have to be exact. And then take that 160, pass it underneath that first 160, and that's going to lock that in position. And then take the tips of the 160s and just tie them together. And bring them round and just wrap them around one of the 5-inch rounds. Okay. Next set of legs, and again wrap them around that first layer and do the same thing with these 160s. So we're measuring off a leg, it doesn't have to be the same size. Wrap that underneath the 160s at the crown, and again do the same thing with this leg. Again, tie the tips together. And wrap underneath one of the 5-inch rounds and just lock them in position. Okay. So I like to do that by just shock twisting so that you get a bit of a point with the legs, and just go around, which way round, and do that. The eyes, I'm using the 5-inch eyeball top print. If you don't have these, use a 5-inch round white and draw on the eye. So you're going to need 2 of these. Okay. And we want to inflate to about 3 fingers or so, 3 to 4 fingers. Tie that off. So once you've got the same sort of size, tie that off. And if you find that your eyeballs have inflated differently, don't worry, just stretch that out. Okay? So you can stretch it out until you get the right kind of size. We want to trim off the ends, trim off the neck, 260 scrap, and I'm going to make a little nose. I just want a little bubble at the end. Just tie that off. And again, cut off the end. To attach the eyeballs, I'm going to be using these U-glue dashes, which are just brilliant, onto the back of the nose. So just stick those on. And if you need to bring those eyeballs together, you can just put a little glue dot in between, a little U-glue dash rather, in between. And just stick the 2 eyeballs together. Okay, and there you've got a really cute Halloween spider, which is great for deliveries at this time of year. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and activate that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos, which I publish on Tuesdays. And I'll see you again in the next video.